So quick update. Thank you for everyone who was able to attend the training yesterday on March 9th. It was great to have you. For those of you who were unable to attend, the recording is available. There are two ways that you can get it. From the D12 Brightspace Google Doc that I have with all of the information, where all of the webinars and workshops are listed. I added the direct link for the recording, and it's also available in the course Brightspace training resources. So you can access it either way by going into Brightspace and clicking the link, or you can just use the direct link to get to that. Coming up on the 21st after spring break is the next webinar, which is the ABCs of Classic Content. And if you're able to join that, that would be great. Just on March 21st, you can click the Zoom link that's provided there. I did also want to say that the last webinar needed to be moved, and so the updated date and time for that is also added onto the Google Doc, so that is there. And also on the Google Doc, if anyone needs to request a sandbox still, you can do that. Just complete the form that is linked on the Google Doc. To access the course where the recordings are, for faculty, you on your My Apps page, the Brightspace icon is fully active. So all you have to do is click on the D12 Brightspace, and that will open up your Brightspace. That'll give you your homepage, and you should have the Brightspace Training Resources course listed. If you have any other courses, you may have a sandbox course, or you may have a course shell. Some of the courses that have been migrated, I've been adding faculty to as they've been completed. So you can read the announcement and then do the training, and then you can review the content that has been migrated over. To get to the training link, just go to the Brightspace Training Resources class. You can click on that to open it, and you can then select the post-training resources, and the link for the recording is there. So the PowerPoint that was used during the session is there as well. So you can click on that to view the PowerPoint presentation that was used, or you can just click on the link and that will take you to the recording as well. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you can't access it, or if there's anything else, just let me know. I just wanted to send this as a short video just in case there were any questions in what I type up.